Next, we're going to remove the takedown lever. You need to take the takedown lever out to pull the trigger bow out. So this one's under spring tension, so you want to push down on this and actually swing it this direction. Just be careful. Once you clear it, put your thumb here and move the lever out of the way. And then you should have caught the detent. There's that. And there's also a spring in there. Let's see. That's the trigger pin. We'll get that in a second. Let me see if I can get a tool in there to get it. Well, you can pull. Let's pull this out first. Then we'll go after the spring in a minute. You can, if it gives you any issues, you can always just try to punch it out from here. I don't think it's necessary, but sometimes it gets stuck. Maybe I can manipulate it with a hammer. Yep. It just needs persuasion once in a while. And there's your takedown lever. Now let's go get that spring real quick. Let's see here. What can I use to take it out? Here. I actually fabricated this little staple here to pull the spring out. So I just push down. And my staple should be able to hook it. There, fished it out.